Hi, I'm Christopher Balo, a 20-year licensed attorney who practices in consumer protection law here in San Antonio. If you've ever hired someone to repair your home and later found out that the work was incomplete, unsafe, or not what you were promised, you're not alone. Here in Texas, homeowners have legal protections under the Deceptive Trade Practices Act, or more commonly known as the DTPA. But it's important to act quickly. DTPA claims have strict time limits. The DTPA is designed to protect consumers from dishonest business practices, including misleading statements, false advertising, and poor workmanship. For example, if a contractor guarantees that a repair will fix your foundation issues, but instead leaves you with even more damage, that could be a DTPA violation. Other common violations include using substandard materials, overcharging for work, or not completing a job as promised. If you believe a contractor has misled you, you may be able to file a claim for damages. Visit salawhelp.org today to get a free referral to a trusted local consumer attorney in San Antonio.